welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for academic research and citation. First of all, I would advise you to connect into an account, whether it's a Google account, Apple account. Why? Because this will save your progression. Anything that you did will be saved to your account. So if you, as an example, want to continue tomorrow, you don't quit and find nothing else. So make sure to connect into an account. Just go and sign in using a Google, Apple, an example, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or entering, an example, your information manually. So for me here, I'm going to choose Google and I'm going to continue for free. For you, it's totally up to you if you want to go and do it. So here as you can see, you can use Perplexity anywhere that you can ask questions. You can use it on your phone. You can use, for example, a desktop application if you want to download it, or if you want, you can use it on the website, for example, if you just click on continue. So it's totally up to you if you want to download it somewhere. Now, as an example, once we are at Perplexity AI, we'll be able to start using it. So you can ask something research-based questions, like you can use academic style prompts, like something like that. Maybe you can use explain the impacts as an example. So I'm just going to do something kind of related to research-based. I'm not like a professional on how to do research, so you might even do it better than me. So just ask something or use the academic style prompt. You can even ask, as an example, you can open another like AI like ChatGPT or something like that, and you can ask them as an example. You can ask them to create for you. So create as an example. So create for me academic. So academic research prompt style. So okay, I didn't type it clearly, but it's fine. So an example here, they'll give you the prompt to conduct a research about something. He will do it as an example better than me. So if you can or able to do it, it's up to you. So just go and ask like a prompt. It's totally up to you. So you can do something like explain the impacts of climate maybe change on Sahara agriculture. Maybe include some academic resources. Maybe as an example, summarize recent studies on something. From this to this, and make sure to be as specific as possible. Like include where, include what, include the date range, include also the type of source that you want, include maybe citation, or include like citations or APA citation in your prompt as well. It is very, very important. So once they give you the answer, an example, I'm just going to do one of the things here that's given me given to me by ChatGPT. And as an example, they'll give you a lot of answers and sources and everything. So for you, you'll have to review the sources carefully. Perplexity will show you like the footnotes or links below its answers, as you can see in here. And these are clickables. Like for example, this one, you can just go and click on it and see the source. So often it's going to be from PubMed and a lot of knowns. So you can always open and verify sources before using them in your work. You can also use Copilot for deep search. You can click on the Copilot charts, or you can even do this research option as an example at the bottom. So as you can see here, this is for deep research on any topic. But in order to use that, we'll need to upgrade to Pro. Of course, you will get some for free. As you can see, I'll get 3 queries remaining on today. But if I want to use more, I'll have to upgrade to Pro. So if you really rely on this, I would advise you to do it. So now, as an example, once you do your deep research and something like that, you can start exporting or copy the citation. You can scroll down to the bottom and you can click on the citation icon, book or quotation mark, and choose APA, MLA, Chicago style, and copy and paste into your documents or reference manager. I don't know which one you're using. Just some bonus tips that might help you. Make sure, as I said before, to log in as a user so you don't lose any progress, and make sure to ask for citation in your prompt. Give 3 like pre-reviewed source and APA style. Maybe for PDF-based academic work, pair with PDF.ai to ask question about your papers. And some important notes also that you want to know, Perplexity doesn't replace academic database, but complements them. And always verify and read sources before using them in a paper. And if a source looks sketchy or commercial, don't cite it directly. So that's what I can help you with. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching and goodbye.